quick overview of 3D printing at CES. Into the 3D printing section. We have a nice blank space. Another nice blank. Do a quick walk around. I've already gone through these booths and chatted with the representatives, so know some little about them. Creality with very nice booth. Their new Ender. The Halo Sky. None of these guys printing. The CR30, our belt, which is having a little bit of issues with the cable. It's probably fine. I'd like to see this guy up and printing, but we do have Ender 7 printing. And we noticed the problem of, is it printing? Yes, you can see. That's okay. I think that's the CR6 SE. So that's the pro version of the Ender. Hey, how you doing?
Nice mask.
I'm wearing the Bears mask, and everybody loves the Bears.
Yeah, we love them, but shit, we gotta do something.
Everybody on the team is doing all right. It's just, as a team.
As a team, yes.
Could be better.
Yeah, no,
All these guys.
All right, we'll see you next season.
We'll be there. Sneak in. Forum Labs booth. Fairly exciting. One of their new innovations is a magnetic removable build platform. Build Platform 2. They brought out their extra large. I mean, just the cleaning and curing station. Glorious. What really excites me is they have the Fuse 1 out. And of course, they put it outside where it's the most obvious. So, turn out a little low, but the good stuff is in.
Yeah, because I'm pretty familiar with the resin.
Check out that, the build that below. And you see another build chamber ready for cleaning. And a full hood. Fairly expensive, but really well-designed solution. Third and final company that's out in the 3D printing section, Lux Creo, high-end DLP and LCD resin machines. I believe this is an LCD. Their DLP ones are larger. They're actually manufacturing shoes in production. As I said, I spoke with these guys before. John, great guy. Gotta go through his second one. He's watching. And the shoe, which should be spinning, because it looks cooler that way. It's gotta be done. But they're located out in California, doing production factory. Again, a bit high end. That is it for 3D printers in the 3D printing section of CES. I'll keep an eye out and take some more pictures of anything else 3D printed around. There's been a lot of printed parts as part of people's displays, just not displaying the printers themselves. All right, happy printing, guys.